This we have discussed about it. Elimination option. This is the general formula for solving MCQ. Please mute yourself. Okay, long tail keywords. In the question paper, some questions might be they are having long tail keywords. And if you stuck over there in that particular question, then you are going to use this trick. Just blindly pick that long tail keyword. Instead of leaving that question, you can use this trick for that particular question. You might get 0.8. Avoid the footprint. Now let me explain this. What is the meaning of footprint? Suppose question number 30, you are not able to solve it. What you are going to do? Don't copy the option number, whatever answer you have written for 29 or 31. If you have written 29 for 29 answer, for 29 question answer is A, and for 31 B. You are not going to take A and B as a correct option for question number 30. Might be you are going to choose C and D. 99% you are going to score over there 0.8. Next is golden option. True versus false. Those who are experts according to them. Most of the time, the true is the correct answer. So again, if you don't know the answer for that particular question, and if the question is in the form of true versus false, what you are going to do? Right answer, true, instead of leaving that question. Avoid north-south option. That means if irrelevant answers are there, avoid those answers. Keywords. Sometimes both the options are having same keywords. So most probably from those options, the correct answer will be there. Grammatically incorrect answer. Sometimes in all the options, 3 options might be there grammatically incorrect, and 1 is the grammatically correct one. And here you are going to choose whatever the grammatically correct sentence, that will be your answer. Next one is all the questions are having 4 options, A, B, C, and D. So according to the experts, again, most probably the answer is B. So if you don't know the answer of that question, what you are going to do? Right? B.
They want to speak in that only.
If the options, answer options are 5 options are given, A, B, C, D, and E, then most probably your answer will be E, the 5th one. Hard work is the key to success. Those who are right now during Diwali vacations, those who were doing study, and might be all of you are knowing that few days are there, 10 to 15 days are there more. So do hard work. You are going to get success in your exam. These are the few strategies, tips I have told. Apply it when you are going to solve your board paper, and there is no other option. Practice and practice and practice. It is a kind request to everyone. Don't apply these strategies, tips throughout the paper. Only few questions where you are stuck, you are not getting answers. At that time, only you are going to use all these tips. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Over to you all, my dear teachers. If you are having any query, now ask questions. Over to you all, my dear teachers.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm Vidya Jivi from Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Vidya ma'am.
The thing is, first it was like first 14 out of 18 questions. 14
Yes.
questions children will attend.
Yes.
If they are attending all the 18 questions, only first 14 questions we are going to correct it.
Yes. And we are going to give marks for that only.
Only for that one. If it is wrong, also we are going to
We are going to count that
remaining 4
only.
questions.
Yes. Next 4 you are now
Okay,
going to
fine.
count. Okay.
My question is in
Yes.
section C.
Yes.
Totally there will be 30 questions. 26 questions they are supposed to attend.
Yes. Sorry.
If the child is attending all the 30 questions,
Yes.
only first 26 we will be considering, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Vidya ma'am. You are going to correct. You are going to do correction of only first 26. If the next 4 are correct, then too you are not going to give marks.
Okay, fine.
And if in between
Because there it is
26
like,
4 are wrong, you are not going to give marks. That's why the instructions, clear
Okay.
instructions are given by CBSE. No? They have to attempt
Fine.
whatever the instructions are given according to that only.
Yeah, that's what the instruction is like. Last for that is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Roman letter 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 26 questions they have to attend. Each
Yes.
Roman letter first 5, 6, 7, 8. It is having 5 questions, and last it is having 10 questions.
No,
Ninth Roman letter.
But according to the instructions, what they have given, that students are going to attempt only 26 questions. So
26 questions.
Yeah.
Yes.
We are going to, while doing correction, we are going to consider first 26 only, whether they are correct, whether they are wrong. We are not going to correct next 4.
Thank you so much. That was my doubt actually. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
It was really a very wonderful session.
Thank
which
you.
gave right. It is a awakening session for us. Like there are few doubts here and there. Now it is absolutely fine. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vidya ma'am. Thanks a lot. It means I don't have words to express myself. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Anyone
Welcome,
else? Anyone else? Those who are having any doubt?
Hi, ma'am. It was a very nice session, and I have attended all the AIEF sessions. Really, what to say? Like I am also gaining knowledge from you people, and like you're being a mentor for us. After Matthew sir, for you, it's really wonderful to have you as a mentor for us. Thank you so much, and thank you, Matthew sir.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Keep giving us most wonderful sessions like this. Because last minute, we don't know what will be the thing. We can train our students in a right path.
Yes,
as well.
yes, absolutely. Because we are having hardly 10 days in our hand. Because minor subject papers, they are going to, I think, from 17th December, sorry, 17th November onwards, they are having those papers. So hardly few days are there in our hand.
Yes, and they have given 1 week of time for our English exam as well.
Yes,
so
In that, you can use all those things.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, perfect, ma'am. I have like 3 questions here.
Yes.
They will give like quotes related questions for passage, comprehension passage. So how to make the students understand and apply for those quotes? First question, because I have tried few techniques wherein a few students can understand. Those who are the high achievers, they can grasp it easily, and mediocre also. But the low learners, the slow learners, they are unable to grasp those things. So obviously, I will be telling them like either if you're getting like all the others, then leave it. That's the one thing I can tell them. I don't know what to do, because rather than not attempting, they can attempt something else. And
No,
at least, yes, ma'am.
sorry to interrupt you, ma'am. Just now I have given 10 tricks.
Yes, ma'am.
Let them apply those.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Sure, sure. I'll apply that one, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah. Instead of leaving that question, whether they are going to get mark or might be they are not. But
Okay.
whatever the 10 tricks are given, absolutely
Yes,
99% they are going to score over there. And these
Yes.
tips are only for the slow learners. We know that
Yes.
some students, they are very smart.
Yes, ma'am.
They score good. But
Yes,
the
last
problem we face
Yeah.
related to slow learners only, and we have to help them out in this, because
Yes,
as
100%, ma'am.
the MCQ pattern is there, and if they are not going to attempt a single question, they are going to lose the 0.8. As
Yes.
you know that when the pen paper test earlier CBSE they used to conduct, there if some 3-4 lines are written in that answer, we are giving them marks. But right now
Yes,
here,
ma'am.
no chance. If the
No
answer
chance
is
at all.
wrong,
Yes, ma'am.
0.8, we
Yes.
are going to deduct absolutely.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And second one is the cause and the effect type of questions, which is there in annotation part. They used to give like cause and what will be the cause for, and what will be the effect for those causes as well. That question. And third one is like assertion and reasoning based question. Can we expect in examination part? Because
Yes.
in few papers I have seen assertion and reasoning based questions, and few they haven't mentioned anything like that. So that's why that's what the thing I need to know as well, ma'am.
Ma'am, related to assertion and reasoning compulsory questions, I think, as per my knowledge, will be there. And for that, what you are going to do, just tell them to find out first two statement, whether they are true or false. And after that, tell them to find out the answer. First of all, check those given statement, whether they are true or false. And on the basis of that, they are going to search the option.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for clearing my doubts as well. Thank you. Thanks a ton, and God bless you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Anyone else?
Yeah, excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, can I ask you one question about maths paper?
Yes, ma'am. No problem. Ask.
Ma'am, in maths one, we have 3 sections, section
Yes.
A, B, and C. About first two, the instructions are very clear by CBSE. Attempt any 16 from 20. But about section C, in section C, the instructions are attempt any 8 out of 10.
Okay.
But in section C, we have 2 case study questions.
Okay.
And each question, there are 5 subparts.
Okay.
Now, the problem is that whether we should ask the students to attempt 5 of one case study and 3 of another case study, it makes 8, or 4 from each case study.
See, ma'am, whether if the clear instructions are not given, they have to solve from each case study 4. If the instruction is not such, then they can solve whatever you were saying like that.
5 from one and 3 from another, because each is having 5 questions.
Yes. What is the instruction given? Because I haven't seen maths paper actually.
Ma'am, the instructions
they can do any. They can do
Yes,
any.
sir. Sir is there.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's any 8.
Yeah.
Any 8 means, sir, that the student can
4
attempt
plus 4,
all
5
the
plus
5,
3, or 3 plus 5.
all the 5 of any one and 3 of another.
Yeah, 5 plus 3, 3 plus 5, or 4 plus 4. Any of the options can be done.
But about the CBSE hasn't given any clear instructions about it.
Ma'am, it's written any 8, no? So any 8 means they are not
it's
specified.
written any 8.
Yeah. So any 8 means out of the 10, any 8 can be done.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Ma'am, just like in English, they have given for the grammar and writing section. In the grammar section, total 6 questions are there, and from that 5 questions. It is clearly mentioned, but in maths, it is not clearly mentioned. No, so whatever the instructions are given, you have to follow those instructions.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Good afternoon, Matthew sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. The
Good
same here
afternoon,
for social
Jen.
also. Yes. The same here for social also, case study, that it is given 6 questions we are selecting. 12 out of that they have to go with the 10 questions. There also the instruction, it is not given very clearly. Either they can go with each paragraph based on the questions or not. The same here what we discussed now in math. So they can go with their number of choices.
Just a moment, ma'am. Somebody is disturbing. Let me mute. Please mute yourself. Yes, ma'am. Sorry. Please repeat the question
Yes.
again.
It's okay.
Yeah.
The same what we discussed for that math, it's the same here in social also coming out. The third session, it is coming to case studies where they have to attend only 10 questions, but the questions we are setting with the 6 plus 6. So again, the options and the misunderstanding is taking place. Paragraph first one, I can go with a 6, and the next case study paragraph, I can go with only 4. It comes to their student's choice. Is it? Or
Yes,
any
yes,
other clear instructions or
ma'am, let them solve from 6 question. Maybe they will solve 4 and next 6, 4. Total, I think 8, no? Or 10.
10.
10. First 5 and then next 5. And if they know the first 6 and then next 4, they can do like that. Just like maths.
Yes.
Same way.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Because the instruction it is not given. Indirect way it is understood that
Yes.
from each case study paragraph, they have to go for 5 questions.
Is it written over there?
No, nowhere it is written.
Then whatever
is
the
given
instructions are given,
Only
according to that
instruction,
only.
any
Any 10.
Okay.
Any 10 means from
Okay.
those case study, any 10. It is up to the student.
Okay.
Okay.
With the okay, with the optimum numbers, they can, it is the student's choice number of questions they have can attend.
Student's choice. Student's choice.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, Jayanti ma'am. Welcome. Is there anyone who is having any doubt? Hello. Okay. I think I have cleared what were the doubts you were having in your mind. So thanks a
Hello,
lot,
ma'am.
everyone. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I am a
ma'am.
student of, ma'am, I am a student from IDPS school. So I want to ask that how
Yes,
to
Priya.
solve the questions of opinion and fact.
Yes, Ria.
Ma'am, I am Tanushri and I want to ask that question, how to solve the questions of opinions and fact.
Opinions and fact also, you are going to first of all see whether the given opinion is true and whatever the fact is given, it is related or not. And then you are going to choose the answer.
Okay, ma'am, but ma'am, options when us given that most of the probably that fact are true and opinions also true. So whatever choose that the option is true or not, that we are stuck almost.
So for that you
The
have to do,
information that is given, the information that is given in your textbook becomes the fact. The thing that you are deriving out of the text is your opinion.
yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Anyone else? Thank you. Thanks a lot, everyone. Thank you, Matthew, sir. Thank you, all my dear teachers, my students, those who are there right now. Thanks a lot for making my session wonderful. Thanks a lot. You can leave the meeting now. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.